Hey guys, my name is Jonah Manzano. So today I'll be showing you how to actually fast forward, rewind a video on TikTok. So this is possible through the TikTok app only. So let's get into it. Let's go to TikTok app. So what I'll do is pick a video, any video of my video. Let's pick the 3-minute video that I have here.
Hi guys, my name is Jonah.
So at the bottom,
so today I was
you
given
can
an
see that I
access
can
to
scrub it.
record
Rewind,
up to
fast forward.
3-minute video.
So that's how you do it. Maybe if we pick maybe 30 seconds video, say this one. This is about 1 minute video. If we pick, I don't know if we can pick 30 seconds video without any music so we don't get copyright. All right. Say this one. Okay, that's 45 seconds. So yeah, basically what I've done is I've updated my app. I'm using iPhone 12. Also part of the test. I'm not sure if this is available to everyone yet. Just started to notice it today. If it is, then it's good.